Lashes in less than 5 minutes? Let's put it to the test. Today we're partnering with one of my favorite lash brands, Lamaze, and they're known for their soft and wispy cluster lashes. These lashes are perfect for everyday wear or even a little longer. It comes with its own bond and seal as well as a lash remover. Let's go ahead and prep our lashes and put 5 minutes on the clock. You always want to start off with clean lashes and a clear plan as it relates to your lash mapping. I personally love a feathered look, but if you're a baby doll or a cat eye girly, then these 11 to 15 mm lashes are perfect for you. Next, you'll need a tweezer, and we'll be going ahead and applying the lash bond to the base of our lashes only.
These bitches don't like me, cause like, I'm pretty as fuck.
Just the other day, I heard a hoe say, matter of fact, what could a hoe say? With a face like this and a bitch this paid? Shit, what could a hoe say?
Use your tweezers to gently remove the lashes from the tray and apply directly to the base of your lash line. An optional tip is to also add a little of the bond to the lashes itself and let it dry a little bit before applying. Be sure to hold the lashes at an angle and use a mirror below for precision. I usually take the end of my tweezer and gently push the lashes into my lash line to secure them a little bit better. Go ahead and repeat the same steps on your next eye and use your fingers to gently press the cluster lashes and your natural lashes together. And lastly, we're going in with our lash seal, which helps to prolong the retention of your lash extensions. It also helps to create a barrier against elements that can break down your adhesives such as water and oils. And in less than 5, you're all done. And who can tell you that you didn't wake up like this? Let me know what you think of the results. I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna tag 3 content creators down below that I think should take on the Lamaze Lash Challenge.
Her, she.